What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're doing Fuel Fest today, and it's raining, so we'll see. We're headed to Texas Motor Speedway. Fuel Fest is put on by the Fast and the Furious crew, so it's like Cody Walker, Tyrese Gibson, and a couple other people involved, but it should be a big car meet, but with this rain, we'll see. At least we'll have unlimited tire wear. Alright, we're here at Fuel Fest. Everybody's loading in. It's pouring outside, so luckily we have these indoor paddocks. There's Max, Nate. And we originally parked down here, but they said they're doing RC drift cars, so I gotta move all our shit. That is so cool. I don't know how much driving we're gonna get to do today. It is just raining. They keep pushing the start time off because of lightning, so I think we're gonna go here soon, but conditions are not the best. Crashed 3 times.
What's it, drifting or?
Yeah, it's like a drift road trip.
Yeah.
So we went from here to West Virginia and drifted all down the East Coast. All right, let's get it.
I bet, I'm ready, man.
Just follow me. Come on. Hell yeah. Peer pressure. Man, what a day. Got to give a bunch of ride-alongs to some people, made some money. Just got Brian's car loaded on the trailer. Irving was killing it this weekend as well. A little muddy. It's been a super cold and wet day, but we still have all of our tires and the tires I drove here on, so it's a good day. Did a lot of ride-alongs. Thank you to everybody who took a ride with me and Brian. It was super fun showing you what it's like in a drift car for the first time. But yeah, thank you, Aaron, for putting on a great event. Texas Motor Speedway, Fuel Fest. Yeah, until next time. All right, something, I think my front splitter came off. Oh yeah, dude, that shit's just dragging the ground. Alright, well, be okay. At least the trailer didn't fall off.